Hey everyone, welcome back to Immortal Solution. Are you ready to take your fitness journey to the next level? Today, I'm going to show you how to create a personalized fitness plan that fits your goals, lifestyle, and preferences. Let's get started. The first step in creating a personalized fitness plan is setting your goals. Ask yourself, what do you want to achieve? Whether it's building muscle, losing weight, improving endurance, or increasing flexibility, clearly defining your goals will guide the structure of your plan. Remember, your goals should be SMART, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, instead of just saying, I want to get fit, set a goal like, I want to build muscle and increase flexibility within the next 3 months. Next, it's important to assess your current fitness level. This helps you understand where you're starting from and sets a benchmark to track your progress. You can do this by performing simple exercises like a plank, push-ups, or a squat hold, and timing yourself. Record your results, and don't worry if you're not where you want to be yet. This is just the beginning, and it's all about progress. Section 3. Choosing the right exercises. Now that you have your goals and know your starting point, it's time to choose the right exercises. Your plan should include a mix of strength training, cardio, flexibility, and mobility exercises depending on your goals. For muscle building, focus on compound movements like squats, deadlifts, and push-ups. For cardio and endurance, consider running, cycling, or HIIT workouts. If flexibility is your goal, incorporate yoga or stretching routines. Mix it up to keep things interesting and to work different muscle groups. The key is consistency and making sure your plan is balanced. Section 4. Creating a weekly schedule. Once you've chosen your exercises, it's time to create a weekly schedule. Decide how many days you can commit to working out. Typically, 3 to 5 days is a good starting point. Schedule your workouts based on your availability and goals. For example, you could do strength training on Monday, cardio on Wednesday, and flexibility on Friday. Make sure to include rest days to allow your body to recover. Rest days are just as important as workout days. They help prevent injury and allow your muscles to repair and grow. Section 5. Tracking progress and adjusting your plan. The final step is tracking your progress and adjusting your plan as needed. Keep a log of your workouts, how you feel, and any changes you notice in your body or performance. Tracking your progress helps you stay motivated and see how far you've come. If you're not seeing the results you want, don't be afraid to tweak your plan, whether it's increasing the intensity, changing exercises, or adding more variety. As you progress, your goals may change, and that's okay. Your fitness plan should evolve with you. Remember, it's about finding what works best for your body and your lifestyle. Outro. And that's how you create a personalized fitness plan. I hope this guide helps you take control of your fitness journey and reach your goals. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Immortal Solution, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more fitness tips and workouts. Let me know in the comments what your fitness goals are and how you're planning to achieve them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.